Look at this fool. Look at this fool. That's so uncomfortable. How do girls sit on that shit, bruh? That is so uncomfortable, bro. I need a girl, bruh. Taking applications. Let's go. No work tomorrow either, baby. Just out here living. Ooh, that sucks. You got in the water. Hell nah, bruh. I actually need to clean my bike. She's doing good though. Like I said, the oil change, the chain adjustment, got the quick shifter on there. Cleaned her all up. She loves me, bro. She's my baby. She's the only girl I could ever have. I swear, bro. I swear, bro. Man's best friend right here, bro. Actually, all the Harley dudes be like, ah, nah, man. Sport bikers are for little kids. You guys know how they are. My stepdad's like that. Ah, my nuts. I crushed them, yo. Ow. And you go left and then you go left. Oh, yes, sir. Rev it, rev it. He just has the peace sign. Little Gallardo action, baby. I always forget that my brother doesn't have a speedometer, so he never knows what speed he's going, bruh. I love that, bro. That's never gonna get old. This is gonna make my, like, love my baby even more, bro. Like, so sick. What is that? Audi TT? They're pretty hard. It's like a mini R8. When do we go right? What? I need to rev it up more there. I don't know why I couldn't get it up, but whatever. You win some, you lose some, wheelies. Oh yeah, nice. Whoa, bud! What you doing there, bud? What? They almost got hit. He shit his pants?
I don't know.
Ooh, she bad. I need a baddie, bruh. I need to tune my baby. I wonder if I tune it if the exhaust will go away or not. I mean, not the exhaust. Shit, I'm retarded. The pops. Because I do not want the pops to go. But then it would be fast. Like, I don't know how much horsepower it would increase it by. Because it's like 120 right now. So probably increase it to like, I don't even want to say. Because I don't want to embarrass myself. God, dude, this quick shifter sounds so good. Sorry guys, for the first couple of videos, I'm just gonna be obsessing over that because it sounds so good. I'm hyped. Yes, sir. KTM. But yeah, I know you guys are hyped because a lot of you clicked it in the poll, so let's go. Thanks for the support again. I appreciate all the support, guys. And follow me on the gram if you haven't. Oh, and also, it's like, the percentage is stupid. Like 95% of you guys that watch the videos aren't sub. Come on, baby, let's go. Join the road to 10K. We're halfway there. I'll give you a kiss. This is where all the basic girls go.
On the long road where the fire station is off of?
Oh yeah?
Right?
Yeah?
That road or the highway goes to? I like the fast road.
I don't care. Yes, sir. Hey, follow me on YouTube, hunter.theus. Yeah. Let's go. Because whenever I see people like that, I want them to see the video. So I'm like, yo, follow the tube. Woo! Red bomb. I'm acting up today, baby. I got good energy today. I'm hyped. Even after a long day of work, bro. The bike never disappoints. Unless you crash, obviously. But yeah, we're not gonna talk about it. I was like, follow the YouTube. hunter.theus.
His girlfriend got on her phone right away.
That was funny. He goes, his girlfriend got on her phone right away. Oh, we are getting on the highway. Let's go.